If you're looking for a quaint century home on a beautiful 10-acre lot, set back from the road with all the privacy anyone could want, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from Royal LePage Realty, and I am so excited to introduce you to 555122 Amaranth Townline in the township of Amaranth. This house is just a few minutes from Orangeville or Shelburne, and it's a quick commute down to Brampton and so many other places. One thing you may not know about me is how much I love a home that has a wraparound porch. This home is fantastic in the respect that it has a wraparound porch that goes around more than half of the house. It's wonderful that it's covered, and I just can't imagine what it would be like on a beautiful summer's evening to be sitting there looking out over the property. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It sits on 10 acres of land, set back from the road for privacy. Yet there are houses that are nearby if you ever needed someone, and so much more to offer. Let's take a peek inside. I'll try to keep this video short, but there's just so much I could say about this amazing home that was originally built in 1895. It has so many upgrades that seem to keep the quaintness of its original build, yet has improvements that make it modern and very livable. Simple things like the updated wiring, the updated furnace that has a propane furnace, the fact that it's got beautiful updated countertops, cupboards again that are right to the tall ceilings but still have that feel of an older home. We've got a gorgeous fridge and freezer side-by-side combination. We've got a dishwasher that's handy in the island. Again, updated beautiful lighting. Tin ceiling that again just gives you the feel that you're in a home that's over 100 years old. Yet you've got the original flooring, which gives so much character to this gorgeous, amazing home. This large room has again a really nice big feel. The windows have all been updated with custom windows that are made to, again, seem like they're an older window, but they're all beautiful, very recently updated. We've got an amazing stove that's an Elmira stove from back in the day. Likely, it's an actual wood-burning stove as well, which is such a wonderful feature for this kitchen. You could actually cook on it if you needed to. This room also has an amazing bathroom that's right next door, 3-piece with a shower. And again, very nicely updated. Even features as simple as a laundry hamper that's built into the cabinetry in this room. Every little detail has been looked after. We've got another side room that's perfect for a little office area. Again, a huge window with lots of natural light. And in many rooms in this home, including this kitchen, you'll see the King's Crown block moldings that are so unique to that time period. Such a great feature. And we even have the amazing feature of a Harry Potter cupboard that's underneath the stairs. Let's take a peek at the front room. It does not disappoint. I also love that the living room and dining rooms are separated by a very large wide opening, which almost seems like open concept from 1895, with beautiful ornate woodworking that's over top of the door. And speaking of the ornateness, there's also stained glass windows above these original windows that are in this room. Again, gorgeous hardwood floors that are very rustic and remind you of the beautiful age. We've got the floor moldings that come up the floor probably 12, 13, 14 inches that are probably solid hardwood. You couldn't replace that if you tried at any cost. The windows are surrounded by beautiful hardwood as well. So much of this room is so eclectic. Let's take a peek upstairs. As you come up the stairs, you're immediately struck with, again, the height of these ceilings and this amazing common area in front of one of the bedrooms. Beautiful windows that overlook the land, lots of natural light. We've got, again, beautiful hardwood floors, and it's just a wonderful spot here to have a desk or maybe a painting stand of some sort, or you could have a nice cozy chair that would be perfect for reading on a nice winter's day, like, oh, I don't know, today, for instance. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs and a recently remodeled bathroom. Again, the bathroom is remodeled with the era of the home's build in mind. It's got incredible features like a beautiful standalone tub with a shower unit as well. The toilet has the amazing feature of a water closet with the chain that flushes the toilet from the side. And it's just beautiful. It's eclectic, and it makes you really feel like you've stepped back in time. The master bedroom is a very large room with a good sized window overlooking the front. We've got a second bedroom across the hallway that again has a nice window that overlooks the side of the property. And we have a third bedroom that again overlooks the other side of the property with a large window. And again, good sized rooms. A lot of those rooms have beautiful stained glass features over top of the door transom as you enter or as you leave. And it just gives such a beautiful feature. Unfortunately, the fourth bedroom is camera shy. It's not ready to be seen today, but we'd be happy to have you come and see the home for yourself. This also, as you come up the landing, there's another door that leads up to a third story room that would be perfect for storage or an amazing play area for middle-aged children or someone like myself that would really enjoy a place to go and hide and have some time to myself as well. Let's take a peek back outside and look at the land features as well as the 2-car garage. There's something about a country property that just makes me want to climb trees. It's so peaceful out here. Winter or summer, spring or fall, this would be an absolutely gorgeous property. As you can see, the area around the home itself is probably 2 or 3 acres of land that's nicely cleared with large mature trees. Behind the house, there's a fenced area, but the property line actually goes quite a bit beyond that, as you can see from this drone footage. And the front of the property is set back from the road with a perfectly straight driveway, which makes it super easy for maintenance, but gives amazing privacy. If this property is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.